Forgotten username recovery failed on Mercury Fix. If your Mercury username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most users get this wrong because they expect Mercury to still use usernames. The surprising truth is that Mercury now relies entirely on your registered email address for login. That's why the old forgot username option no longer works. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Mercury app or visit the official website. On the login page, enter the email address you used to register your account. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for messages from Mercury, like account confirmations or transaction notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folders if the reset email doesn't appear. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to log in the same way. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery fails. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Mercury support. Provide your full name, registered email, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will manually verify your information and restore access. Most people assume their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is that Mercury removed usernames in favor of a streamlined, secure login system. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your business banking with Mercury in minutes.